So firstly we have to take off the architrave. So we take off the side architraves and the top architrave. You can leave the bottom one on. And this is from the outside of the window. And we need to measure up what our width of our window is. So that one's 700. So I like to allow 5 mil either side, so 710. And then the height of our window is 1520. So you need to allow another 40 millimeters on that. So that makes 1560 millimeters. The cutout needs to be. And we measure it up on the wall where you would like to put it. So that gets us our 1560, so that literally ends directly on board to board. And then our width, add the extra 10 millimeters to the width. So we'll cut that out now. Now we just push these panels out. Get the jigsaw. Now only do one window at a time, because it takes, if you cut both windows out, that wall will come out also. So only do one at a time. So we lift this window in, then you need someone to hold it from the inside and then go and screw the architraves on.